Let's talk about Powerdays, one of the most powerful tools in the screener. First, select a preset and go to the Price Action panel. Here you can scan for both positive and negative Powerday breakouts. You can also view Powerdays inside the Forecast Models panel, where trends are projected. For example, Alibaba also had a strong positive breakout. If you want to avoid small-cap names, you can set a filter, for example, only stocks above $20. On the chart, Powerdays appear green for positive and red for negative, with pending confirmation status when a trend is not yet fully established. What makes Powerdays unique is that they factor in both price movement and the actual dollar value traded. Thank you for watching, enjoy the platform, and don't forget to do your own research.